Then we try to check this question from 5 chapter 1 redox equilibrium. Try to read the question. The diagram below shows the electrolysis of setup using dilute sodium sulfate solution using carbon electrode. Please remember the carbon electrode is known as inert electrode. When dilute sodium sulfate solution, it has 4 ions. So what are the ions? We have sodium ion, hydrogen ion, sulfate ion, and hydroxide ion. And when they use carbon electrode and dilute sodium sulfate solution, the factor involved in this reaction is factor 1, which is known as E0 value. Alright, so we try to move the ion to anode. Anode, always remember positive terminal, it will attract an ion. At anode, we try to choose E0 value lower, so we try to check the E0 value of hydroxide ion, positive 0.40 is less positive than the sulfate ion, therefore hydroxide ion will be chosen to be discharged at anode. At cathode, the ion that attracted to cathode will be cation ion. So we have 2 ions, sodium ion and hydrogen ion. So we choose the E0 value ion. Alright, so here the E0 value of hydrogen ion is 0.00 and the E0 value of sodium ion negative 2.71. The hydrogen ion, the E0 value is more positive, thus the hydrogen ion chosen to be discharged. Alright, so please remember the 4 ions present in the electrolyte is known as sodium ion, sulfate ion, hydrogen ion, and hydroxide ion. Alright, check the requirement of the question. They want the formula of ions present in the electrolyte. The ions that present in the electrolyte, we have 4 ions. Alright, next they want the factor that involved in anode and cathode. The factor involved is E0 value. Alright, so the ion that move to the anode and cathode, sulfate ion and hydroxide ion, are attracted to anode, while sodium ion and hydrogen ion are attracted to the cathode. So the ion that chosen to be discharged at anode will be hydroxide ion. This is because the E0 value of hydroxide ion is less positive than the E0 value of sulfate ion. How to do the half equation? So we remember 4 orang utan makan 2 biji orange, minum 2 gelas air, and 4 apple. So we try to do like this. Observation that occur at anode will be what? The colorless gas bubbles which realize glowing wooden splinter is released. Alright, the name of the process occur at anode, so please remember the name of the process occur at anode is oxidation. Alright, so now we move on to the cathode. Cathode, the ion that chosen to be discharged is hydrogen ion. So this is because the E0 value of hydrogen ion is more positive than the E0 value of sodium ion. And how to do the half equation at cathode? So we put 2 hydrogen ion, accept 2 electron and form hydrogen gas. So here is the half equation. And the observation at cathode will be colorless gas bubbles which produce pop sound when tested with burning wooden splinter is released. Alright, the name of the process that occur at cathode is reduction. Right, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. Take care.